let's unbox some PR together. I have been working with a couple brands for a while now. I also have been working with some creator platforms that do send me PR or gifting through brands. But I decided to kind of compile that until I had like a few packages in order to open them with you guys. So let's go ahead and open them. First one is this pink packaging. This is from Wet n Wild. I got this one through Skeepers, so let's go ahead and open her up. So this one comes with 2 of their niacinamide skin tints. It's their Bare Focus niacinamide skin tint, has 5% niacinamide and hyaluronic acid and peony extract. So I have medium beige and I also have caramel. I didn't know which shade. Obviously medium beige seems like my one, but I felt like in the summer I could be caramel. So these are the shades that I chose. I worked with them before and I got their primer, their new primer, and I have another one now, which I love this formula. If you haven't tried it, you totally should. It's so good. This also has 5% niacinamide, so you're getting really good skincare loving ingredients in these products. We also got another one of their loose setting powders in the soft pink, which I have been loving as well. So excited to have a backup of this. And lastly, we just have a few of their tools. So this is their triple feature 3-piece cushion sponge set. So just comes with 3 different types of sponges. So thank you so much, Wet n Wild. I can't wait to go ahead and try these products out. This next box I got from Stratosphere. So it's also a platform where you can apply for campaigns or brands will reach out. This one is from, I opened it backwards, so give me a second. This one is from the Face Shop, which I am so excited about. So they sent me 3 of their products, including their Rice Water Bright Cleansing Facial Wipes, which is funny because I just ended up buying them from Amazon and I've been using them and loving them. So this is what the package looks like. So we have the wipes, we have the light cleansing oil, and we also have the foaming cleanser. So excited to try these out. Next is also from Stratosphere, but this is from the Cream Shop, which so excited about. These are the cutest little jelly masks. Just hold on. All right, so this is from the Cream Shop, and this is their gloss jellies. These are like the Hello Kitty ones, and they're so cute. Like, look at all of them. There's this one. This one. This one. And this one. And they all have like cute little like stickers. I don't know. So cute. So excited to try these out. So stay tuned for that video. Okay. P.S. Am I the only pregnant woman who deals with hot flashes? Probably not, because I know it's hormonal. But dying. Then my last box here is from Mielle. This is hair care. So excited to try this out. Let's go ahead and open her up. So I got the Mielle products through Skeepers. All right, and I just have here their Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera Deep Hydration Curl Forming Glaze. So I cannot wait to try this. This sounds like it smells good. I have to smell it. Oh yeah. The smell is already peeking through. I cannot wait to try this out, but thank you guys so much for watching. That is my little PR unboxing.